Welcome guys. On this video I will show you how to set up some new CSF issues. Hopefully you've watched the overview video so you understand what a CSF issue is. If you haven't, please go and watch it. So to do that, we go to the CSF issues page, and all you got to do is click the new CSF issue button. Now this is where you need to determine which CSF a CSF issue belongs to. So for this company, we've already created 3 critical success factors, which are CSFs. We've got enter new markets, continuous staff development, increase efficiency in production department. So let's go to increase efficiency in production department. So the CSF issue for this one might be something like get a new machine. Okay, get a new machine for whatever type of business we're in. Get a new machine, and then we'll determine who's a champion, who's going to oversee this, who's going to drive this issue forward, and we'll leave that as Tim. Now we need to determine which meeting task group this CSF issue belongs to. So you actually need to determine 2 things: which meeting type and which meeting task group it belongs to. So the drop down list will give you in brackets the meeting type. So we've got general meeting there, the general meeting there, we've got sales meeting here, sales meeting here. Now each of these meeting types have got meeting task groups under them. So general meeting has got people issues, general meeting has got new product development. So here we're getting a new machine. Not the best example, but let's put it in general meeting, new product development. Hopefully with a new machine we can make new products. That's an interesting relationship. And then we just hit the create button over there, and what we should end up with is that new CSF issue, which is get a new machine, has been created, and on the extreme left, it tells us which critical success factor that CSF issue belongs to. Now, it doesn't give us the full name of the CSF here. Otherwise, when you've got 10 CSF issues, you'd need 5 pages just to show that. So we just show you the code. So EFF01. So if you go back to your CSF in the fit out page, EFF01 has got something to do with efficiency, improving efficiency or something like that. It's your company, so you should know what that means. The date it was created on, 3rd of December. Now, are there any task actions under that particular issue? In this case, we just created it. There's 0, so obviously it's 0 there. And we can edit a CSF issue. Say if we wanted to change it from the EFF01. EFF01 is the increased efficiency in production department. We could change it and put it in continuous staff development, say, and we'll update that. And what we should see here is that CSF issue has been modified to now belong to a different CSF, the STF01. But just for this example, let's put it back in increase efficiency in production department. You could edit the text, who's the champion, all that kind of stuff. You have it from this page. Now, this is just a summary of the CSF issue. If you wanted to see the full details of the CSF issue, just click the details button, and that will take you to a page dedicated to that CSF issue. And that's this one. So on this page, it shows you the CSF code again, the EFF01. It even shows you which task group it belongs to. It belongs to new product development. If you remember, that's in the general meeting, so it shows that here. It also shows you who's the champion, in this case Tim. Now you can go back to CSF issues, which is the entire list. You just click the back button there, and that will bring you back here, but that's not what we want to do right now. Or you can now create tasks under this particular CSF issue. To do that, you just click on the new task action button.